Are you looking to boost your customer engagement rates? Want to capture your audience's attention with stunning visuals? We have an even better solution for you. Introducing our expertly crafted animated explainer videos, designed to leave a lasting impression on various companies. Our videos are not only incredibly engaging, but they've also proven to increase sales. Our comprehensive packages cover everything you need, from storyboarding to voiceover, animation, and background music. We're dedicated to collaborating with you to bring your ideas to life and captivate your audience. But that's not all. We also offer sound effects, logo animation, subtitles, and professional scriptwriting to ensure your video stands out. Eager to explore the possibilities? You can find all the details and pricing on our page, or simply drop us a message. Contact Digital Insights today. We'll help you create a 2D animated explainer videos.